If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter response error 131, the good news is that this is usually a temporary issue, and in many cases, it happens after changing your display name too many times in a short period. So in this video, I'll show you the quickest fix so you can get back to using your account normally. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, if you recently changed your display name several times, stop trying to change it again right now. The main fix is to wait. In most cases, you need to leave it alone for a full 24 hours before attempting another change. This gives X or Twitter time to lift the temporary restriction on your account. While you're waiting, avoid repeatedly refreshing the page or trying the same action over and over, because that usually will not speed things up. Just let the time pass, then come back later and try again. If you're still having trouble, there's one more thing you should check. If the error appears while uploading an image, make sure you are using a JPG formatted image. Some upload issues can happen if the file type is not supported or if the image format causes a problem. So before trying again, convert your image to JPG and then upload it one more time. After waiting the full 24 hours, go back and try changing your display name again. In most cases, that is enough to fix error 131 and let everything work normally. So to recap, the fix for x.com or Twitter response error 131 is to wait about 24 hours if you changed your display name too many times, and if you're uploading an image, make sure it's in JPG format. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.